Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue the class 1. So let's get started. I'm taking the Google Chrome. I'm typing in code.org. Click on sign in. So every time we follow the same thing. Enter your username or email ID and the password. Then click on sign in button. Yes, these are the courses. Let's click on continue lesson. We were doing the express course. Yes. So keep calm and help me find the bad pig. Otherwise, I might get angry. Get the bird to the pig and avoid the TNT. Let's click OK. Now this is a run section. The angry bird can choose this way or this way, isn't it? It can take any of this way. So let's see. I'm just dragging the blocks. Click on run. So angry bird has turned right and moved forward. Yes, we are going in the right path. Okay, let's continue. Turn left, move forward and move forward. Yes. Reset, run. Turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward. Yes, we are there. Now to reach the pig, we have to turn left and then move forward. Let's see. Let's run. Wow. It's done now, isn't it? Congratulations, you have completed puzzle 7. I just clicked on show code, then continue. It's the best practice to see the code. Okay, there's a challenge puzzle now. Actually, the challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best that you can. Let's click on I'm ready. These blocks are made of stone and can't be thrown away, right? These are the gray blocks. We cannot delete them. See, there is a new button called step here. We can click on step to see the code line by line. So once I click step, it will execute only one code. Move forward, turn right. Now this is a move forward again. You can see in the run section that yellow part, it's highlighting by this. This move forward is extra, so I'm deleting it. I guess you guys are understanding this. Move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, then move forward and move forward. So this line is extra now. This block move forward is extra. So let's delete it. Okay. So I'm just, instead of deleting, I'm just placing a turn right. Let's see how it works now. So you can see line by line execution of the program in the workspace. And yes, we are done. Challenge complete. Click on continue to move on to the 9th one. Yes. Always read the instruction and then get started. So this is the angry bird. This is a green pig. So there's a new block here, the pink one, that is repeat. How many times you have numbers there, you can repeat a particular block many number of times. So if I take move forward and turn right, then move forward. So how many times is it? It's 4 times. So instead of writing move forward 4 times like this, we can use a repeat block. Okay, now I'm just continuing with writing the individual blocks. Yes. Well, let's take turn right, move forward and reset, run. Move forward, turn right, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right and move forward. Perfect. Okay. So congratulations, you completed puzzle 9. Now let's check the 10th question. Read to the code below very carefully. What will happen when you click run? Okay, let's see. It's going to turn left, move forward, again turn left. Then we have 3 move forwards. So let's go option by option. First option is the bird will end up one step short of the pig. No. The bird will make it to the pig. Yes. Let's reset, run, check it. Yes. So our option is correct. Okay. Continue. Let's go to the last puzzle now. 11th one. Now help me sneak up on the pig any way you want to. Okay. You can choose any of the path. Okay, I'm choosing this way. So now I'm using the repeat block. Repeat 3 times, move forward. Let's click run. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the Angry Bird has to go down. So turn right. 1, 2, 3. Again, repeat 3 times, move forward. Let's reset, run. So first it's executing the first repeat block, then turning right, second repeat block. Okay, we are on the right path. Now turn left to reach the pig. Once again, use the repeat block. So you can choose any of the path. I have chosen this path. Okay, well, right. So turn right, turn left, and there you go. Wonderful. Okay, congratulations, you completed programming with Angry Birds the entire lesson. Let's click on continue. We have lesson 3, debugging with Scrat. We'll take up this in the next class. Thank you so much for watching my video.